We are learning new details about a crash that left a mother and her 2 sons dead. Thanks for joining us live at 11. I'm Trisha Keene. According to Henderson police, the driver at fault stumbled out of his car and reeked of alcohol. Police say he then admitted to the officers that he drank a, quote, pretty good amount. Our Alyssa Bethencourt has that story tonight.
Police tell us the driver, 36-year-old Daryl Smith, drank at least 3 glasses of wine and consumed cough syrup before crashing into and killing a mother and her 2 young sons.
I have no sympathy in my heart for her at all. It's senseless. It's senseless.
Jacqueline Evans lives on the corner of Lake Mead Parkway and Grand Cadence Drive. It's the same intersection where police say 36-year-old Daryl Smith drove recklessly and under the influence before crashing into a mother and her 2 sons.
It was so loud, like I said, my teeth chattered. I literally sat here and cried for a whole hour. And I knew that whoever was in that car was dead. I knew it.
On Tuesday, the Clark County coroner identified the victims as 38-year-old Rebecca Post and her 5- and 6-year-old sons, Leo Post Quintanilla and Achilles Quintanilla.
It definitely kind of hits you a little bit, even if you don't know who the person is.
A police report obtained by Channel 13 reveals that Smith admitted to drinking a, quote, pretty good amount and taking cough syrup before the crash. Detectives adding that Smith had bloodshot, watery eyes and a strong odor of alcohol emanating from his breath. Smith now faces 3 counts of DUI resulting in death and 1 count of reckless driving.
If you're drunk, you know you're drunk, don't drive. It's just that simple.
At the scene, police came across a distraught man who said one of the cars involved in the crash was his and that his wife and 2 children were still inside. According to documents, they had just gone their separate ways after spending time together as a family. Moments later, he received the tragic news and let out a moan that officers say cut through the night. And family members have set up a GoFundMe to help pay for funeral expenses. You can find a link online at ktnv.com. Reporting in Henderson, I'm Alyssa Bethencourt.